Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this I think the final and last video of the series that I started last night, showing you this Euro USD chart, the 33-minute setup, and how to take entries using both 7-minute and watching 7-minute and 20-minute charts, right? So let's get started, and then let me explain you the final episode here. Right, so we were here when I started making the first video. The reversal candle and a couple of blue candles were in place, and the alarm was screaming on Euro USD 33-minute chart to go long. So now at that time on the 20-minute chart we were here, which means that the yellow is below the black and the price is below the yellow, right, going into the wave. And so that was like a perfect short setup. So how would we go by that? 33-minute setup is saying go long, and then 20-minute setup says go short. So I explained that already in that video, and then I took the entry on the second video. The explanation was that if we are going to get a long setup, or a 33-minute long is to play out, then obviously we're gonna go on the 7-minute chart, and you will find yourself on the bullish side, and the yellow will go above the red, like we were here. We were talking about the 20-minute short setup. The 7-minute chart was here, the price was here, so you can't go long, you can't go short at this point. And then our rule is that for long, from 33-minute to 7-minute the yellow has to go above the red, and then this indicator all the way down, and you make an entry. And I did, and I showed you that I had a trade there, right? Which I was sitting on a break even, and then the price went up and then came down nicely and took me out here. Then what happened is that I made an entry again here. This is how the system is, that if you understand it, it will give you entries again and again until you make some money. It's amazing. And look at this other chart here. Let me show it to you here where the entry is right now. Right here. All right, so this was my first entry, right? So I got knocked out here, but again the alarm start beeping, and excuse me, and this is my second entry, which is still going on. And clearly the short 20-minute didn't play out, and then it went up above the on 7-minute chart we went above the yellow went above the red line, and then first entry, then that was very positive, right? Very positive. I could have closed this here and made some money, some pips, right? And then it dropped here and took me out, because I was making these videos not to make pips, but to do the education purposes, right? To make the videos for to show you guys that how it's done. So now once I got out, this is my entry here. We went up, but notice that we had another entry here, perfect by the book entry, and then another entry here, perfect by the book entry. You could have taken this one or this one and then ride all the way, and it's still going. I don't know where the heck it's going, but it's not supposed to. It's Euro USD, right? It will get sick if it go too much to the upside, because it's not supposed to, right? The daily range is not there, but luckily it is going. Now see, the daily range this indicator is showing is only average 60-day daily range is 46 pip on this broker. But the thing is here, the previous day it started. It posted 92 pip, and current day range is 116 already. Maybe it's gonna stop it now. So this is why, because both the euro is getting strong and the USD is getting very weak. That's why. All right, so it went up, but the idea, you understand now that and this phenomena that 33-minute chart showing long and 20-minute showing short at the same time, it doesn't happen all the time. It's not 100%. It's like maybe 50%. The other 50% you will see that you have a reversal candle on 33-minute chart, and then you also have, let's say, a long setup on a 33-minute chart and a long setup on 20-minute chart as well, or short on 33 and short setup on 20-minute as well. So then it's very easy to simply take the 7-minute short without any confusion, right? The confusion arises when you have a 33 long and 20 short. It's not confusion, it's just a matter of sitting. In that case, we were here. So 7-minute chart, it will show you, I call this no man's land, right? The yellow above the black, but the yellow below the red. So that means that you can't go short and you can't go long. So for short, you have to have this yellow below the black, or long, you have to have this yellow above the red, and then indicator to help it out, right? So if yellow goes below the black, you don't open the trade immediately, but you wait for a retracement and this indicator all the way up, and then you go short. Similarly here, yellow goes above the red, you don't go long immediately, but you wait, and then the price dip, and then this indicates all the way down, and then continuation, you go in. Continuation means one reversal candle and maybe a couple of blue candles. Similarly here, I made an entry here after a reversal and couple of blue candles, right there my entry, and then I move the SL later on when we start bouncing from here. So this is how it's done. It's just a matter of like being patient and patiently watch it, right? Don't jump in, don't hurry in jumping in the trade or going into the market, right? That always has a bad consequences. So being patient pays off all the time. All right. So understand this phenomena and be patient, and then try it. Try it again and again in different pairs. You will find so many 33-minute chart setup, and every setup, just watch what's happening on 20 and 7, and wherever the 7 is going in the volume time. If there is a news, these are a couple of facts, and as soon as the prices start moving, it will move in one other direction, right? So this is the very, very good setup here to understand and watch for the direction. Which direction are we going to go? So here, if it would go down here and then give you a setup, you're short. If it goes above and then give you a setup, you go long, right? Even if you understand this and do it, then all the other analysis you don't have to worry about, or Elliott wave, harmonic patterns. You just follow this on the volume time, by the way. And especially when the price on the 7-minute is around into this area, this is like coiling the spring again, right? And the spring is ready to let go. So as soon as you let go, boom, it goes away from the wave, right? So whenever this 7-minute chart is the price is messing around with the red line, be careful, be ready for a good trade. Simple as that. Okay. So this is it for now. So this is the end of the series. I will call this one part 3, and now you know that, nice and clean. I mean, forget about this, and even this I think is like around 60-65 pip, and this is the slow-mo, right? If you do the same thing in euro, look at the euro Aussie right now. It's flying, it's just going bazooka right now, right? Because Aussie dollar is getting weaker. As I posted the chart in the Telegram that is gonna drop, it did. It's now here right now. Okay, so this Aussie index chart, it is dropping and sending this euro Aussie. Euro is getting strong, and this pair is just going bazooka here. And then I have my entry here. I will show you my trade later on this one as well. So but the thing is that if you apply the same rule and then get into the trade in pair like euro Aussie, 100 pip is not a problem, right? Try it and test it again and again, and you will see what I'm talking about. So this is it for now, and maybe I'm not gonna trade. I have I have maybe 1 or 2 trades today. Last night I'm making a lot of videos, so been very busy. The week wasn't good, right, in the beginning, so I said, what the hell with it, let me just finish some other things. So not many trades in this week, and I'm just I'm making another like a harmonic pattern video course. So a lot of videos making, and then tomorrow probably not gonna trade anything. Just finish up this course so that I can make it available for everyone. It's gonna be like a harmonic patterns and how to apply this magic ivy system, just like here, from a turning point, and then catch the move. Okay, that would be a very big help and a very good course. So this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.